GAT Plus can help identify items in Google Drive that were placed in the trash and have been there for a long period of time. To begin, we'll create a filter. We can set its type to files by user status. This will allow us to exclude suspended or deleted users. The reason we would want to do this is because we cannot take action on their files. Now add a rule. Set it to flags contains trashed. Apply your filter. The results can be filtered by updated to show you the last updates on those documents. Select the files you want to apply an action to by checking the boxes beside them. You can select every file by checking the top box. Now select the File Operations button and choose File Management. Under the General tab, add the email of the new owner. I'll put myself down. I will select to untrash the file and set its path. Click the Summary tab, then click Send Request. Your request will be sent to your GAT Unlock security officer. Once approved, the files will have a new owner and be moved to the specified path. From there, you can apply any actions you wish as the new owner. If you enjoyed this GAT Labs video, please like and subscribe and ring the bell for regular updates. You can also get a free 15-day trial of GAT Plus by following the link in the description.